How to reset PIN to restore end-to-end encryption code on Facebook on PC. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. In Messenger, you'll find 3 dots beside chat. Then go to Privacy and Safety. Click on End-to-end encrypted chats. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Message Storage. Click on Turn on Secure Storage. If you need to reset, you'll find Reset PIN option. Click on PIN. After that, reset your PIN. And then you're good to go. This is how to reset PIN to restore end-to-end encryption code on Facebook on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.